Welcome to my another session, and today we're going to see about the top 5 computer programming skills, which is very important to develop your skill. As a skill developer, you not only know how to code but also how to find solutions to complex scenarios. Having those expertise in more than one programming language, which helps to find solutions faster as each language. Each code is having different advantages. Here in this video, we have covered the top 5 programming languages that you can learn in these upcoming years. As we live in an age when technology is driving change through constant innovation, developers across the globe are in great demand, and the job market is thriving for people with more programming languages. In the world, there will be 500 programming languages which is used worldwide. While all the programming languages can perform different tasks, they come with their own set of advantages and as well as the disadvantages. Having expertise in more than one language is beneficial as it simplifies and streamlines the development process. Here we are going to discuss the new programming languages in the upcoming years. The first programming language we are going to see will be the Go. It is developed by Google. It is a C-style language. It is a low-level programming language for developers who wish to make a career in systems programming. It has some of the similarities with C++ in terms of its features. It comes without the complex syntax and it is easy to learn. The programming language is perfect for the developing web servers, machine learning apps, and much more. Now we are going to see the second programming language, that is Elm. Elm's journey began as a Harvard student's thesis. However, it is now used by front-end developers worldwide. Elm is a JavaScript based, which makes it perfect for developing URLs that load quickly and are accurate. As a functional programming language, it enables the developers to credit client-side frameworks without the need for declarative requirements of HTML and CSS. Among the top 5 programming languages, the third language will be Julia. It is a high-level programming language which is used by developers for numerical analysis as well as the computational science. It comes equipped with the mathematical features, library, a parallel and diversified execution program, advanced compiler, and numerical precision technologies. The programming language is said to overcome the limitations of Python and other programming languages. As of now, the Julia is worldwide accepted program for the numerical analysis. The fourth language will be the TypeScript. It is an open source programming language and that is maintained by Microsoft Corporation. The framework is developed over JavaScript. It is an object-oriented language that was created to broaden the functionality of JavaScript. This makes it easy for developers to write codes using this language. It comes equipped with a range of toolkits that helps in faster app development with utmost accuracy. As of now, we are going to see the fifth programming language. That is the fifth, and it is very important, that is Python 3. Even if you have mastered Python 2, the Python 3 will still have something more to offer. It is distinct from earlier versions. The new Python 3 offers a more intuitive code with enhanced type safety. It is a lot easy to parse the disparities amongst the Unicode, binary code, as well as a simple text. With this, we come to an end of this video session, and in this video we covered the top 5 programming languages in the upcoming years. If you are having any comments, please do comments in our comment section. Thanks for watching.